I wanted to try to catch everybody up on what's going on with our renovation. We started the bathroom, and that was all well and good. Well, I got to shopping one day, and I found carpet, and I had them come out and measure, and that was too high. I didn't like that carpet, so for some reason, I continued on shopping for carpet. It was a real concern of mine in picking my colors and doing my walls, my trim, my doors, curtains, all of the things that I have to, think about. I didn't want to have to replace all my curtains. I want to try to reuse some. So I got the bathroom ripped out. We are down to painting the ceiling, installing the toilet after we put the flooring in. And that's it. I got one piece of trim on the door. We won't put the door back up till he's done. And then in the bedrooms, it's 2 bedrooms are just almost done. The 3rd bedroom has got to have all of the painting. I've primed it. Y'all saw it. The one real dark room, it's primed. And then we're not worried about the hallway. That paint will be different and it will follow into our living room area. So we're not painting the hallway yet. We're going to remove the attic fan that's in there. So that is just kind of trying to explain, because we started with numbering bathroom renovation, 1, 2, blah, blah, blah. And we just gotten into all these other things. So it's really a whole east wing of the house renovation, if you want to call it that. 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. So that's where we're at, and I pick up in the bedroom that we had to build the closet in. It was an office, and now we've got the cha-ching factor of bedroom number 4. Today, everyone, I get to come in here, and I got to get the dust out and clean and start painting this room. I'm excited. He didn't have to do any ceiling repair in here like in the other room. And bless his heart, he worked all day yesterday. And he came home and he sanded all night long on this. He has done an excellent job floating. For somebody that's never done it before, I can't complain at all. And here we have the closet framed out. I have the shelf inside with the rod. I have it painted. I have replaced baseboard. I have to get in here and paint the baseboard. I have the big trim on the wall. Gotta caulk and paint that. Here on the floor, ooh, I had everything sitting on this ladder. And I was going to clean the fan, and I was thinking about spray painting it black, getting the blades off to paint it. And everything fell off. Yep. So now I have to get new globes, new fan. Gotta do some caulking. And Kevin has to catch up. He has to get the ceilings painted in this room, in this hallway. Well, the hallway we're waiting. We're not worried about getting the hallway done. The bathroom, he's got that ceiling touched up better. He's got to paint it. We're painting it with a flat instead of that shiny paint. I have the baseboards in here today. I did that yesterday. I haven't painted the open ends or anything. And I'm putting trim here today and around the door. And I can't decide here if I'm cutting the wood or if I'm cutting the plate. I'm going to try to cut the plate. I don't really have anything good to cut that plate with, being the plastic. I don't know what I'll do, but I'm going to finish this from here over. Get the top boards on and get it where he can get the floor in and we can call for the carpet. We're using common board, the 1x4. So let's see how these boards fit. I don't know. I think it will be fine. Just like that. Yes. I'm going to paint it and I'm going to caulk it. And it will be beautiful. And this is what Kevin's not happy with, and it is a corner that isn't square. It's got an angle to it because, like we said, we have a really bad drywall. So I am not averted to, let me see, finding the hump and knocking it out, and it's right there. It's very visible. Oh yeah. It's like a big pimple that needs to get popped is what it is. Big old chunk of drywall and the finishing in there. And I'm just going to break it out. Why? Because I can. Because I'm not afraid. We built it. I can unbuild it and build it back. We did not do this damage though. Let me see. Yep, that might have did some of it, but I didn't tell you right now that I did some. Down. Now let's see. Yes. What? Oh. That's what happens when you have a crappy tape measure that won't hook over your head, so you take a measurement down low and you've got a difference. So now I'm going to have marks on my wall I got to touch up. Because it is not going to fit. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, I'm going to beat it in. I've already done damage. Okay, Jamie's in the house, that's the way it goes. Darn. Anyway, I am just going to put a few little nails in this. So I like to change plans. Let me see here. Down here at the bottom, I'm going to paint that the cheating heart. And then I am going to put a piece of trim across there that'll be white. I think that it'll be more finished that way.